In this video, I will show you how to use ChatGPT to brainstorm and develop a complete brand identity for a new musical project. I begin by setting the stage, asking ChatGPT to act as a creative band name generator that focuses on original, memorable ideas that match a specific artistic identity. The AI quickly responds by offering to tailor its suggestions based on specific genres, moods, and themes, while even suggesting it can help with detailed logo directions and band types. To get more specific, I paste in a detailed prompt asking for 20 indie rock names that feel cinematic, dark, and poetic. I want names that not only sound interesting when spoken aloud but also look visually striking and professional on a concert poster. ChatGPT provides an impressive list of 20 names, such as Velvet Static and Midnight Choir, each accompanied by a brief explanation of its unique atmospheric vibe. These creative options range from haunting and surreal to fragile and reflective, giving me a great variety of evocative directions to explore for the project. Finally, I ask the AI to take the 5 strongest names and expand them into full brand concepts, including logo ideas, artist bios, and potential album titles. ChatGPT delivers a deep dive into names like Neon Psalms and the Velvet Abyss, providing specific font and imagery suggestions that truly bring the names to life. This process turns a simple list of ideas into a cohesive artistic vision, demonstrating how easily you can build a professional foundation for a band's identity in just a few minutes. If you found this walkthrough helpful for personalizing your own AI workflow, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.